position. Oh no, flat tire, screw in tire. Oh no, another screw. Wow. Repair kit. Wow. But wait. Oh yeah. Sticky. Positioning. Lube. Oh yeah. Lube. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Quick and dirty. Perfect. Wait. Very sticky. Lube. Oh yeah. Harder. Always remember to lube. 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 The key. Oh yeah. Very tight hole. That is right. Oh yeah. Perfect. Premium quality from Mercedes-Benz. Premium. Fix and go automatic for tire kit. Best for 9 2010. Long distance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Too low. Tire now safe again for over 300 kilometers per hour. Perfect. This kit is your friend in trouble situation. Everybody has to have it in his car. Oh yeah. Screw a new tire. Happy customer.